Welcome to Miss Tidbit, your global guide to smart words, stylish learning, and everyday curiosity. From trending brands to tricky terms, we pronounce, explain, and explore it all. Let's dive in. Ballantine. Ballantine. Ballantine is a Scottish blended Scotch whisky, smooth with fruity notes. If you pronounce it right, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe so we'll practice more together. Just a curiosity check for you. Can your handwriting reveal your DNA? In case you are interested in hearing an answer to it, do hit the bell button. Here is our word for the upcoming video. Here are some more suggestions for you. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.